compound interest calculate. So P is 6,800 plus T is 0.01 4 times 5 years. The answer is 4,402.18. So this is the amount left in the account today. So basically, the interest is S minus T. So we got the S is 1,400. 8.18 minus P 6,008. So the interest earned is 2,048.36.
My name is Christina. So we are now here for question number 2. So from the question, they give us the information for T equals to 7, M equals to 12, K equals to 0.06, P equals to 5500, and S2 equals to 9540.90. So for question A, they want us to find the amount of the amount for the first 2 years. So they want us to find the amount of S. So we use the compound interest in our formula. We key in, so S equal to 5500 bracket 1 plus 0.06 divide 12 bracket 12 times 2 square. So the amount we get is RM 6199.38. Continue with question B. They want us to find the value of R or K. Okay, from the information and the answer we get, from A we get the S is 6199.38. We use this as P for our question B, and we use the compound interest same. We key in the information we get and the answer, and we calculate the amount. So we get the final answer for K or R equals to 8.82%.
K is 0.04 and M is 2 because we compare semi-annuity. So we also S is 9,670.8%. So the question asks to find that. So we just put all the information into the formula. The second united first and got 1.02 point n square because we know m times t is equal to n. So in other side we just divide this. So we got 1.59536. So to get the n, we have to use the formula of log. The formula of log is log a n squared equals to n log a. So in order to get the n, go with this question. And we got the n is 20. So we know that n is equal to m times t. M is 2 times t. And so the t we got is n is.
So today we're going to discuss about question 4. Question 4 is asked about you are assigned to set a company and need to borrow. They given us two banks, Ya Habibi Bank and Maulana Bank. Ya Habibi Bank has interest charge 3.0% compound quarterly and Maulana Bank given interest charge 4.0 compound every 2 months. So the question A asks is calculate the periodic payment and total interest charge for each bank. We're going first with Ya Habibi Bank. We're gonna use the formula A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K over M power minus MT over K over M and close the bracket. Next we insert all the information given. A equal to 250,000 equal to R, we don't know. K equal to 0.03. This is for Ya Habibi Bank. M is 4 because it compound quarterly, and then T is 20 years. We calculate the all information below. And the final answer for R is Rm 4,167 ringgit 0.05 cent. Next, we calculate the interest charge for your Habibi Bank. We're gonna use the formula I equal to NR minus A, N equal to M times T. So insert all the information given. I equal to 4 times 20 times 4,167.05 cent minus 250,000. I equal to Rm 83364. So next we're gonna calculate for Maulana Bank. The answer is this. The equation is the same as the Habibi Bank. We use the equation A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K over M close the bracket power negative M times T over K close the bracket. So this time K for Maulana Bank is 0.04 and the M is 6 because it's compound every 2 months. We calculate all the information they given below, and R equal to 250,000 over 82.42148. The final answer for R is Rm 3033.19. Next, we're gonna calculate the interest charge for Maulana Bank. We use the same formula, I equal to NR minus A. I equal to N is 6 times 20, R times is 3033.19 minus 250,000. The final answer for interest charge is Rm 113982.80. Then we move on to the next question. Question 4, the question is, which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A and give your reason. For this question, I would choose company Ya Habibi Bank because the interest charged by company Ya Habibi Bank is less than Maulana Bank, which is Rm 83364, while Maulana Bank interest charge for Rm 113982.180. We move on to the next question, is question C. The question is, if you fail to make the first 3 payments, how much should you pay on the 4th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? For this question, we're going to use the formula A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K over M times T over K over M and close the bracket. First, we gather all the information they have given us. For this question, we're going to use for Ya Habibi Bank R, interest charge. So R is 4,160 ringgit 0.05, K is 0.03 and M is 4. And then we insert all the information given, and T is 4 because they asked us for on the 4th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears. So the final answer is Rm 62,607 ringgit 0.06. For the last question, for question 4 is T. If you want to settle all the loan immediately after paying for 15 years, calculate the number 1, the amount you need, the total interest paid. So the number 1, they want us to calculate the amount that we need to pay. So the given T is 20 years. So they want to pay after 15-year paying, they want to settle all the amount. So 20 minus 50 equal to 5 years. So we use the same equation, A equal to R in bracket power minus MT over K over M. And then we insert all the information, and the T we change to 5 years. The final answer for A is Rm 77123.84. Let's move on to the question 2, D2. The question is the total interest paid. So we use the same equation. Interest is I equal to NR minus A. So I equal to 4 times 5 times 4,167.05 minus 77123.84. The final answer for R is Rm 6,270 ringgit 0.16 cent.